You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is x equals -67. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Break up the fraction. Group like terms. Convert the integer into a fraction. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Expand the parentheses. Break up the fraction. Group like terms. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Subtract 33/5 from both sides. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Reduce the zero numerator. Simplify the arithmetic. Convert the integer into a fraction. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Isolate the x. Multiply both sides by 5. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the arithmetic. Multiply the fractions. Simplify the arithmetic. Convert the x into a positive number. Multiply both sides by -1. Remove the ones. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the final result is x equals -67.